Hello again. Today I'm a little excited. We're gonna be unboxing my Janome 500E. That's my newest toy. We're unboxing this today. It's my second embroidery machine, and I actually got this because I needed larger hooping space, and so I had to get me a larger machine, and this is the best one in my reach right now that I could afford. These are the things that come with it. It's the manual. First, I think it's all the hook. It's a really large one. I don't know what size is this one. I'm not sure yet. And then the manual. I think this will be the machine cover, like the dust cover. And then the instructional DVD. We got 4 hoops. 2 and another 2 over here. You can see them. Now let me get my phone out of the way. And this is the table. Oh, there you go. It's on. Resume last pattern. Keep hands clear. Carriage will move. Carriage will now move to start position. After carriage stops, please set hook. Okay. Raise pressure foot. Okay. Oh, I raise it from. Where do I raise it from? Oh, okay. It's the same thing. Okay. Okay. So I think it's just showing the last, probably the last design they did on it. Someone's probably testing our design on it. Okay. No, nope, I'm not gonna be going with that. Add the extension table. Oh, this is another plus. Okay. That's good. So that's what it is. The thread keeps cutting. I don't know what's going on. keeps cutting. Okay. I don't know, it keeps cutting my thread. I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on. So my thread was actually stuck in between here. As you can see, it's still there. It's still stuck. I can't get it out. I managed to use the pin to pull it out. Now I got the end of it. It's still, it actually made a whole loop around some little metal under there. There's a little metal over under there. Yep. Okay. Okay, so we got it out. I don't know, but I'll give it another try. My thread has been cutting maybe like 6 or 7 times now since I started this single design. Just on this single design, I've had to rethread like 6 times. I don't know whether there's something about the thread or the needle, or maybe the bobbin. Or probably the machine tension is too high, maybe. I don't know why it keeps cutting it. But I'm gonna try again. Lower pressure foot, okay. Let's start again. Okay, stop it to cut that thread. And then tension. Okay, so finally, it's finished now. This time around, I got done without cutting. But I had to actually change my thread, rethread, sorry, not change the thread, but rethread the machine like 7 different times before I got done with this design. So yeah, I'm not sure what's the issue, whether it's the machine tension or it's just maybe the bobbin. I don't know. I've always used pre-wound bobbin in my other machine, but I don't know what's going on with this one, but I'm gonna keep trying, keep checking it out. We're about to throw on a second design. So this is the first one, the actual first test of it. So I'm just gonna throw a second test and we'll see it.